There's a 4-year deadline in California that most people don't know exists, and if you understand how it works, it could be the difference between paying back $10,000 or paying $500. But if you make one wrong move, you erase all that protection instantly. Let's say you have a credit card that you stopped paying 5 years ago, and honestly, you've been living in fear ever since. Every time your phone rings from an unknown number, you panic. Every time you see mail from a collection agency, your heart races. You're convinced they're going to sue you, garnish your wages, and take everything. For years, you've lost sleep over this. But here's what you don't know. If it's been more than 4 years, they can't touch you. In every state, there's something called the statute of limitations. In California, for credit card debt, it's 4 years from your last payment. After 4 years pass, the debt becomes time barred. That means creditors can't sue you. They have zero legal power to take you to court and force you to pay. Now, it's important to understand that the debt doesn't just magically disappear. Technically, you still owe it, but creditors can no longer enforce it legally. So what happens then? Well, creditors panic because they know that their leverage is gone, and suddenly they're willing to settle for pennies on the dollar just to get something rather than nothing. But here's where people completely mess this up, and this is critical. If you make even one small payment on that old debt, even $10, you restart the 4-year clock. That's it. Game over. One payment and the door is wide open for them to sue you because you just gave them 4 more years of legal power over you. Even worse, sometimes just acknowledging the debt can restart the 4-year clock depending on what you say. So if you get a call about an old debt, don't confirm it's yours, don't agree to pay, and don't promise anything. Always be sure to get everything in writing and consider talking to a debt expert first. That 5-year-old debt of $10,000, you could settle it for $500 if you play things right, but it only works if you don't accidentally restart the clock. Now, real talk. Have creditors ever threatened to sue you for debt that was over 4 years old? Comment yes or no. I'm trying to see how common this illegal tactic actually is.